Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up the BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi Range Extender using the WPS method. This is a fast and straightforward way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage by simply pressing a button. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by unboxing your BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi Range Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender itself, a power adapter for easy connection to an outlet, and a quick start guide that will help you through the initial setup process. Plug the power adapter into the extender and connect it to a power outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green, which means the extender is powered on and ready for setup. Next, let's initiate the WPS connection. Find the WPS button on your router, typically labeled WPS. It's usually located on the back or side of the router. This button will allow you to connect the extender to your network quickly and securely. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for around 3 to 5 seconds. Once you do this, the WPS light on the router will begin blinking, signaling that the router has entered pairing mode and is ready to connect with the extender. Next, head over to your BrosTrend AX1500. You'll find the WPS button on the front or side of the device. Press and hold the WPS button for 3 to 5 seconds. The WPS LED will start blinking, signaling that the extender is trying to connect to your router. Now, just wait for the two devices to communicate. The WPS LED on the extender will blink for a few moments. Once the connection is successful, the WPS LED will turn solid green. This means your extender is now connected to your router. Now, just wait for the two devices to communicate. The WPS LED on the extender will blink for a few moments. Once the connection is successful, the WPS LED will turn solid green. This means your extender is now connected to your router. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our experienced team of professionals is always available to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-371. We're here for you. And that's it. You've successfully set up the BrosTrend AX1500 Wi-Fi Range Extender using the WPS method. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.